What's up, everyone? For today's video, we will talk about definite integrals. Before we start, we are asked what is the difference between definite and indefinite integrals, and how do we solve for definite integrals. As we remember from our previous discussions, there are two types of integrals: definite integrals and indefinite integrals. What makes definite integrals differ from indefinite integrals is that they have start and end values, which means that there is an interval a, b, or also called limits, bounds, or boundaries. And here is the notation of a definite integral. As we can observe from the notation of the definite integral, there are letters a and b. These are the limits of integration. B is the upper limit and a is the lower limit. The symbol right here, shaped like an S, is the integral sign, while the function f is called the integrand. To solve for the definite integral, remember this formula. First step is to integrate the function. Then, substitute the upper limit, or b, to the integrated function. This will be fb. Next is to also substitute the lower limit, or a, to the integrated function. This will be fa. Then, use the formula fb minus fa. Lastly, just simplify. Now let's take a look at the given problem. We are asked to evaluate the definite integral of 2x dx from 1 to 2. First, we need to integrate the function. So the integrated value of the function 2x is equal to x squared. Don't forget the upper and lower limits. Then, using the formula, we will substitute the limits to the integrated functions. So our next solution will be 2 squared minus 1 squared. Then, just simplify, and the answer will be 3. Now let's try another problem. We are asked to evaluate the definite integral of x squared plus 2 dx from 0 to 3. Just follow the same steps we did earlier. Integrate the function first. We will have x cubed over 3 plus 2x with the limits 3 and 0. Then, substitute the limits to the integrated function and use the formula. Lastly, simplify. The answer to the given problem should be equal to 15. Now it's your turn. Try to solve these problems by yourself. Remember what we've discussed about definite integrals, and follow the formula step by step. See you next time as Archimedes awaits you. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be updated for our next video.